भैया ऑरेंज कपड़े में कोई गया है? एक ना ऑरेंज में। हाँ ठीक। कितने देर पहले?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. As you would have already figured out, I have lost track of Kanhaiya. He's somewhere. He does not respond, or he does not look back while he's driving, so he just drives forward and he does not look in his rear view mirror, but that's alright. We are currently in Baltal. We are moving towards Zojila Pass. It is the first high altitude pass that you will find here while moving towards Ladakh. The roads are okayish, not the best one that you'll encounter, but yeah, we have to kind of make sure that we reach safely there. It's still raining like cats and dogs, as you can see. I'm not sure if it is visible in the video, but you can see if you look closely. But yeah, we'll move forward. There are a few landslide areas as well here. If you can take a look, it's all filled with water and stuff, but the view on the left hand side, if you can see, is totally amazing. We were kind of, I wanted to stop here for a while, but we couldn't because somebody told me along the route that it's a kind of a landslide prone area, so we had to move forward. But you can enjoy the view now. There he is. Do you see him at the end? That orange jacket? Still in picture. Let me talk to him. Probably he doesn't know that we are already in Zojila Pass. That's why he stopped right beside something which could be a landslide in the future.
कहाँ था भाई? कहाँ था? कब से ढूंढ रहा हूँ तेरे को मैं। हालत खराब हो गई बे पीछे। ये जोजिला पास है, ये जिस पे जा रहे हैं अभी। बालटाल कब का नीचे गया? तभी तो देख रहे ट्रैफिक नहीं है। निकल निकल, यहाँ से पत्थर गिरता है। मेरे को भी किसी ने मना किया था। आजा, मुझे लगा तू शायद गलत निकल दिया। आजा आजा। जोजिला यही है। कितना दूर हो रहा है आजा? हाँ 15 किलोमीटर। थैंक यू।
To be very careful in these areas. You see the stone on the left hand side? Yeah, it's one of the landslides. So while you're driving in these type of tough conditions, make sure that your eyes are pretty wide open. Or first of all, you do not drive. We drove because we did not know that this was Zojila Pass. So we were kind of in the middle of the Zojila Pass when we realized it. Hence, we just had to move forward. We could not turn back. And the roads here, you see, it's filled with water and stuff. It's definitely not advisable to drive on these type of roads for sure. But as I said, right, we did not had any options here. So we just kind of drove through it. It was pretty challenging, but yeah, it was fun as well. Yeah. while we were driving here, it was very, very tough. My gloves were all wet, my jacket was wet, my rain gear was not performing. Only thing which was not wet was my head. I think that was the main reason I did not catch any cold stuff, but everything from my feet to my neck, everything was wet. It was cold as hell. I could not even move my fingers. I was just in kind of an autopilot mode. You see the roads, right? It was, and I had to keep my eye on the road like every time. My helmet's visor was also not functioning properly. So I was getting fog inside my helmet, so I had to open the windshield. Yeah, you see those drivers, right? They give you a thumbs up whenever they pass through. So either you see like bike drivers or bike riders or the car drivers, they give you a thumbs up while they're riding. So yeah, it was tough, but yeah, again, it was fun because of these type of things only now I know I can drive in any condition, which gives me a different level of confidence while I'm riding in rain or off-road or anything like that. Now you see that front section, right? That white thing. This entire thing is snow, and then BRO, like Border Road Organization, they cut through it. Now you will see a very good passing here.
How the fuck we cross it? आऊं क्या? कन्हैया? निकाल! अरे नहीं. पूरा रिकॉर्डेड है, चल रहा है देख. हाँ, आजा. कन्हैया, आ गया होगा. आराम कर, निकलते हैं. पत्थर वाला इलाका. हाँ, ये वीडियो ऑन है. एक बार कर ले. हो
This part, what you see is captain mode. There's a big story behind it. You can probably try to Google it, you'll find it. This video would be too short for me to explain the story, but on a very high level, what it was somebody who helped create this highway did not get his credit for it, and he was in the army. He jumped off from this particular point. I'm not sure if this story is correct or not, but this is what somebody told me. So my father asked me to do a salute here, because everybody who in the army who is passing through this area, they do give a salute and they stop here. This is called captain mode. You'll find it towards Ladakh or while coming back on the Zojila Pass. The view here was totally amazing. Everything that you see white is snow. It has not melted. This guy was doing Zojila Pass on a scooty, so I give him a thumbs up. It's pretty difficult to do it. I'm doing it on a 250cc bike, but he's doing it on a scooter, so I was like, way to go, man. Yeah, the landscape was pretty amazing, but yeah, because it was raining, we did not put a lot of focus on the landscape part, but we were constantly focusing on how we are riding. And here the roads became a little bit better. You can see it is a little bit paved as compared to the ones that we faced back, but yeah, this was good. You see this one, right? Again, everything this white is snow. This looked mesmerizing, and I'm not sure if camera can do the justice to this type of view, but it was pretty awesome to ride here. the end of Jozilla Pass. After this, we took a 1 hour of break because we needed to feel our hands again. So yeah, this was fun. This was till Jozilla, but we were stopping till Kargil. But till Kargil, I did not shoot anything because my battery died, everything died, I died inside. Hence, we reached Kargil and we ended the day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.